Hey, what's up, girl? Is this today's activity? You want to open the box first? Let's just do it together. Wow! A glue pen! What's this spatula for? I can't cook. Do you see that? Oh no! Whoa! How high up are we? I think I see my house. Ah!
Greetings, Earthlings.
Huh? And that's how it's done. Seriously? Who did that? Not even windy in here. On second thought… Gah! I can't even see!
No wind, just the next challenge. Are you game?
Because this is it, ladies! Oh, cool! I'm on it! You want me to draw Sonic, huh? Good thing that's like my most favorite cartoon ever! We're moving on to the blue portion of our program. Good thing I've got lots of this stuff. It's starting to come together, see? You can really express yourself with this thing. It helps your art come alive. Just gotta finish the eyes at this point. Just a few more careful lines and curves. And Sonic is here to say hello! Aw, isn't he just the cutest? Ta-da! All finished! Okay, I've got some real competition. But for my weapon of choice, I'm using batter, baby. Hey, at least my Sonic will be edible. But with a medium this different? Time really is of the essence. We're dealing with a hot grill after all. Food coloring is a very important component here. You can make any kind of batter you want this way. Okay, we're almost there. Just one last little bit. And here he is! Whoa! Hey! Half of my creation is blown off! And it's still going! What on earth? Oh, yikes!
And our winner? Madison!
I can't believe it! Woohoo! Ugh, whatever. Like I care. Huh.
Banana? Yes, please.
What is this? Ugh! Thanks! My all-time favorite snack! Mmm. Whoa! What just happened? Okay, very nice. Wait, we're in yellow. Which means that's part of our next challenge. I totally got this one. Good thing I've got plenty of yellow. What's wrong with this thing? Come on! I know you're in there! Emma! No! Ah! Uh-oh! I think I used too much pressure. My pancake is ruined! Ah! Stress balls always calm me down. Phew. Thankfully, I don't have that problem. This glue pen always delivers a smooth run. And luckily I've got lots of yellow to work with. And after the outline, I get to fill this stuff in. So much! But all my patience is sure to pay off. All the details really bring the character to life. Just wait till you see what it looks like. Can you guess what this part is? Yep, it's his eyes and goggles. Now they look more real. Whew! My masterpiece is finished! So cute! Wow! I think I'm ready to do this now. And I'm starting with the blue. It's probably safer that way, right? Aw, these goggles are so cute! And so are the overalls. Can't forget his little hands. And now it's time to fill it all in. Can you see him yet? I've got to use the other colors before the yellow comes into the picture. And here it finally is. And with no messy blockages this time. Just gotta fill in the face, the eyes, and I'm just about done.
Hey, everyone!
That's enough of that! Hey, stop!
We declare a tie.
So we both win? Yes, yes, yes!
Uh-oh. The alarm is going off.
I'm in charge now. Hi there. This is your next challenge. Hey, you'd better start drawing. The pressure's definitely on with this one. Hopefully I make it past this round. But I can't worry about that too much. I really need to focus here. Is this starting to look familiar? I'm glad I have a lot of black on hand. And next comes blood red. It's coming together now. And I can make a design with the different directions of the strokes. See what I mean? And now for the details on the mask. I'm choosing the heart symbol. Is this good enough for ya? Yeah? Phew! What a relief! Get going, Emma! Oh! I'm sure this pancake will please you. Outlining the hoodie part is a good start. And I'm going straight in with the details. Ooh, look at that vibrant red. Almost there. And I'm done. Mwah! You like? It's a tie. I can't believe it! Woohoo! Hey! I don't think so. Huh? Aww. Looks like he really likes those things. Well, bye I guess.
What happened? Oh well.
Well?
Let me press the button. Just let go of it, will ya? Gah! Oh no.
Are we supposed to press this thing now? Cause that would be kinda cool.
No!
Wait, what? No?
Ha! Hold on to your hats!
Whoa! Hey! Looks like the tables have turned.
But wait.
Time to get busy.
Okay. Will this do? That's not half bad. Half bad. Half bad. She's glitching. I've gotcha.
Wait! Don't do that! You pour it, see?
Pouring is now commencing. And we're making one of those puppet thingies, right? Then sections of colors is the way to go. Hurry up before things get too crispy. Gah! Time for the next color. I think green is a fine choice. Do you agree? Push and pop. Kind of. Ooh, I must give this a try. Let's start by outlining the entire circle. Then putting the lines all in place. Last one. Now for all these little circles. It's filling time. Not letting the lines bleed is tricky. We're getting closer to being done. Just a few more dots, and boom! Looks quite realistic if I say so. Push. Yep, I like it. Are you both pleased?
Well, we think you're both winners.
It's time.
Wait! Oh no! We're back at school? But how? These are so good. Delicious. Almost done. Ow! No! Ugh, you're so annoying. You are! That's it. You owe me cookies. You bumped into me. Ugh, you're so annoying. That's different. Where are we? Are you seeing this?
Hello, Earthlings. I'm so glad you're here.
What's going on? Don't ask me.
It is time for an art challenge.
Huh?
The first challenge is the human food you call pizza.
I love pizza. This should be easy. This is making me hungry. I wish I had a yummy slice of pizza right now. I know. Let's create some pancake art. Let's start with a triangle. Then I'll fill in the crust. Pancake batter is so much better than paint. I want pepperoni. I'll make some dots with this pink batter. Gotta have lots of toppings. There. And now for the cheese. I'll just go around the pepperoni. I don't want to ruin it now. Once it's cooked, I'll flip it. Steady. And I'm done. Pretty good, huh? Essie? This is amazing! What? You have pizza? What's wrong? Do you want a slice? But how? Ugh, it smells terrible. It belongs in the trash. My pancake pizza is good though, right? Sure, Cheryl. I better get started. This 3D pen will make great art. I'll start with the outline. A triangle is easy to draw. This is perfect for the base. I'll fill in the triangle, and now I'll draw the crust. I just need to stay in the lines. My base is finished. Every pizza needs cheese. Wow, it looks just like melted cheese. Mmm, a cheese pizza. But it needs some toppings. I'll do pepperoni, too. It's my favorite. Pretty mouth-watering, huh? I'm tempted to take a bite. No way! Why have a slice when you can have a whole pizza? Jealous?
Cheryl wins.
Yes! I knew it! I'm the greatest!
Whoa.
What was that? That was so funny! I'm glad you're having fun.
No one noticed. It's cool. I want you to draw a banana.
Got it! This'll be no problem. Bananas are easy. Now I'll flip it over. That's not right. What's wrong with this? Shouldn't there be a plug here? Sabotage! Oops. Excuse me. I need to draw a banana. This'll be straightforward, but I'm gonna be a little artistic. Wow, this is looking great! Time for some yellow. I'll just fill in the sections. I'll definitely win this round. It's looking pretty realistic. I'll use a darker yellow for the skin. I'll take my time. I want to get it just right. I don't want to slip up. Ha! Finished! Come on, you know this looks good. I'm not talking to you. Something wrong? No funny business this time, okay? Okay, focus. I really need to be Essie. That's the outline done. I'll do the banana now. Maybe I should do this professionally. Cheryl's House of Pancakes. It's pretty catchy. Wait, I need to concentrate. Almost done. Wow, I like this one. Essie? Come on, let's go! Hey. Ta-da!
This is rough. It's a tie.
I'll take that! Well done! Whoa. She suspects nothing.
Mmm, milk and cookies. Huh? Where are the cookies?
Mmm! These are the best cookies ever! I know! Uh-oh! Busted!
I want you to draw a gingerbread man.
Aw, so cute! This'll be fun. Huh? This is a mess! I need to do something about this. Oh, good luck with that. I'm looking forward to this one. Hey, little guy. Here's 2 eyes. And some details. You need colorful buttons. Let's give you some eyebrows. And some nice red lips. I'll pour batter over the top. This is so easy! And it'll look good enough to eat. Look at all those bubbles! I think it's ready! It's perfect! Yay! Going well. Essie? Ugh! I'm enjoying this. Huh? What's that smell? Oh no! I'm burning my gingerbread man! He was a good man. He didn't deserve this. I need to do this again. Ah, got it. I can finally start. I'll be great at this one. I'll draw him so he's waving. Now to color him in. I just need to take my time. I want it to look perfect. Wow! But you need eyes. This looks so tasty. I need to make a real gingerbread man. Here's some eyebrows. And a mouth, of course. What a happy guy! I'll add some big shiny buttons. I think that's everything. He's amazing! Yoo-hoo! Look over here! It smells delicious. I can't resist it. Good idea. Ow! Uh-oh. That was a bad idea. Oh, my tooth. Cheryl, how does it look? It's bad, right? Yup.
Ew. Essie is the winner.
I won? Woohoo!
I'm Cheryl. I'm making pancakes.
Oh look, I'm Essie. I'm so special. I have a 3D pen.
Flipping pancakes is so hard. Whoa. You two are mean. Ahem.
Just kidding.
Let's spread some love with this emoji.
Do we have to? Let's get it over with. Fine. Where's my pen? It was right here. Huh? Don't mind me. What are you doing? My hair! Sorry, can I just have a look in here? What? Get out of here. It's so nice to… Essie? That was weird. What is she doing? Who cares? I've got pancakes to make. I'll start with the mouth. Then the eyes and outline. I'll fill in the hearts. And then use yellow for the face. This one is easy. Almost there. Okay, I'll leave it to cook. What's your problem? You know, never mind. I think it's ready. Wow, look at it go! Where is it? What?
This color really suits me. I can explain.
Hand it over! I'm watching you. Let's get to work. I'll start by drawing some lines. And make them bigger as I go. I want this to be amazing. A perfect circle. Let's draw the eyebrows. I'll just make a small squiggle with the 3D pen. And now the eyes. This is actually quite relaxing. I'm enjoying it. I'll give it a nice big smile. It's just like an emoji. I can't forget the love hearts. I'm so impressed by this. Oh! Woohoo! Gravity works! Okay, that's pretty good.
They're both excellent. It's a tie.
Whoa! Nice! I wonder what's next. I wish you'd hurry up. I'm getting bored.
The next challenge. Hold on. I have a call. Oh, it's Mom. Fine. I need to go. Game over.
What?
Thanks for playing.
Are you kidding me? Whoa! We're back in school! Did that actually happen? I think so, but that was so weird. Anyway, I'm sorry. Me too. Oh no! We need to get to class! Share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.